Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you exactly how you can connect your Wi-Fi in Windows 10. Now you may be setting up a new device and want to get a Wi-Fi set up along with that so you can start browsing the internet and actually using it. So I'm going to guide you through the steps now and how we can set up our Wi-Fi successfully. So the first step will just please click the Windows button, and from here we just want to type in settings. Now this gives us a few different options, but what we want to look for is network and internet, which can be found here. Now since I'm already connected, mine will look a bit different, but if you haven't actually set up a Wi-Fi yet, it'll ask you to first set it up. So what you want to do is you just want to follow these instructions. It'll ask you to put in the password of your Wi-Fi. You just want to make sure that is correct, and if it is, you should be able to connect. However, if you're running into issues and you can't find a way to connect, we do have a fix for this. So first off, we want to click the Windows button again and just type in Wi-Fi. But this time we're going to look for Find and Fix Network Problems, which can be found here. This opens the Internet Troubleshooter and we can just click Next and let it detect our problems. Now obviously mine's not detecting a problem as I'm already connected to the Internet. But if it's not working for you, hopefully here it will give you the solution to your problem. But if not, we still have one more fix. And this is the fix I would recommend. So when I was first setting up my PC, I had to buy a USB Wi-Fi dongle. This basically allowed me to access Wi-Fi on my device. It was only about £10 to £20/dollars, so it's not too expensive to be able to access Wi-Fi. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you managed to successfully connect your Wi-Fi. If you did, please comment down below that this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.